The life insurance, depending on what kind of policy you have, that can dictate what you're going to be doing. There's two types. You have term and you have whole life. Term policies last 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And when they're done, guess what happens? If you're 10, 15, 20, 30 years older, it's going to be more expensive if you had to get a new one. Now, a whole life policy, you can compare that to like owning a house. When somebody owns a house, you can pay off a house. You can borrow equity from your house. You have things that you have with a house that you don't have with an apartment because you don't own it. It is more expensive though. If somebody gets a term policy, it's because you have young children. You can get more insurance for less. So I can get $1 million for maybe $80 for 30 years. 30 years, my kid is still technically depending on me. So God forbid I was to pass away when they're still depending on me. I have an extra $1 million and I'm not paying a whole bunch of money for that. So a lot of people, they jump to whole life, but not everybody can afford $1 million whole life policy. It depends on your budget. So it depends on what you want out of the policy as well. Are you getting an IUL? It depends on the type of policy that you're getting and what you want that policy to do. Because remember, it's a tool. She the 3.